How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your Klaviyo account to your Shopify store or Shopify account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and assuming that you guys are new to Klaviyo and you've just started setting up your account, as well as the ad campaigns, newsletters, basically the configuration for your entire website and whatever, you'll be met with this option right here. So it's pretty much the get started protocol or setup that Klaviyo gives you when you create a new account. So right away, you'll see that there's an option to connect your Shopify account. So as it says, connect to Shopify, sync your historical data from Shopify, and start collecting real-time information about your customers and subscribers. So honestly, you could just click on this, and what'll happen is you guys will be redirected to a new page on your browser where you need to log in your Shopify account. So when you log in your Shopify account, you basically just want to make the integration by allowing the app to connect to your Klaviyo account, and that'd be it. Now, assuming that this option isn't available to you guys, the other way to do it is by clicking on the profile icon or your account settings on the bottom left corner of your screen, like so, and then you want to select integrations. Now from here, you'll see all of the compatible integrations that you can add to your Klaviyo account. So you want to click on Add Integration, and here's the list of all of the tools and plugins that you can add to your Klaviyo. So from here, you want to type Shopify, like so, click on it, and you'll be redirected to this new page right here, where you need to fill up all of the information. So the first one will be your store URL or your Shopify domain, followed by the data from your Shopify that you want to sync with your newsletter or different formats in Klaviyo. So you could sync your data from your Shopify newsletter to your Klaviyo newsletter or your SMS subscribers or the preview list. And assuming that there are some overlaps or duplicate emails, you guys could sync that too. So they'll basically merge the two profiles from both platforms and turn them into one profile. And click on connect to Shopify, and that'll be it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.